Cats are incredibly curious and surprising creatures, and their behaviors often surprise us. Today, we want to delve into some of their behaviors that may be mysterious to us, but are simultaneously fascinating. So, what are these unusual behaviors, such as following us into the bathroom, showing their bottom, or even biting us on the feet? In this video, we'll unravel these mysteries and try to understand what lies behind these peculiar behaviors of cats. 1. Showing up in front of the camera. Some cats exhibit interest in cameras, especially when they are turned on and recording or transmitting images. For cats, the camera may be perceived as a new object in their environment worth exploring. Their curiosity may be piqued by the moving object, camera lens, responding to their movements. Additionally, cats may be fascinated by the sound of recording or a person speaking behind the camera. Some cats, particularly those accustomed to human presence and emotionally bonded with them, may interpret the camera as a tool for communication with humans. Consequently, they may seek to attract our attention by displaying their behavior in front of the camera. It's a way for them to interact with us or to capture our attention, which can be rewarding for them in the form of praise, petting, or other forms of positive feedback from their caregivers. Such behavior may be particularly evident when cats observe us using cameras, such as during video calls, taking pictures, or recording home videos. 2. Following us into the bathroom. Cats are naturally curious and like to be close to their caregivers. When we go to the bathroom, a cat may be intrigued by our activities. It could be a new and unusual place where something interesting is happening. They may also feel the need to check if everything is okay, since they see us as their family and want to be with us wherever we go. 3. Showing the bottom. Showing their bottom may seem strange, but for cats, it's a natural way of expressing trust and affection. The bottom is one of the most vulnerable parts of their body, so when they expose it to us, they're showing that they trust us completely. It's a form of communication between the cat and the caregiver, symbolizing their bond and relationship based on trust. 4. Biting our feet. Cats often bite our feet for several reasons. Firstly, it could be a form of play. For cats, moving feet resemble small prey that they can hunt. This activity can be very enjoyable and stimulating for them. Additionally, biting our feet may also be a way to get our attention. Cats may want to attract our attention or elicit a reaction from us by biting us gently. It's also a way to initiate contact with us, especially if we ignore their earlier signals. 5. Burying food. The instinct to bury food has its roots in the wildlife of cats. For wild cats, burying food was a way to protect it from other animals, such as predators or competing cats. Thanks to this behavior, the food remained safe and available for later consumption if needed. Even in domestic conditions where access to food is provided, cats may exhibit this instinct by burying food near their bowl or on the floor. This behavior may stem from their deeply ingrained survival instincts. 6. Reluctance to water. Most cats dislike contact with water, which may stem from several reasons. Firstly, cats are land animals, and their fur is not as well adapted to wet handling as that of some other animals, such as dogs or otters. Contact with water can make cats feel uncomfortable and uneasy. Additionally, some cats may simply dislike the feeling of moisture on their skin. Finally, for some cats, reluctance to water may be due to negative experiences associated with it in the past, such as traumatic baths or accidental soaking. 7. Making offerings. Some cats may exhibit behavior involving presenting offerings to their caregivers. This involves bringing in dead or live prey, such as mice, birds, or insects, as a gift. It's a behavior stemming from their natural hunting instincts and a desire to share their catch with members of their group, which in this case includes humans. Although it may seem somewhat repulsive to us, for the cat, it's a way of expressing care and showing that they want to share their catch with us. In conclusion, cat behaviors can be fascinating and sometimes even surprising to us as caregivers. Although we may not always fully understand why cats behave in a certain way, it's worth remembering that each of these behaviors has its roots in instincts, life experiences, and the relationship that cats have with us, their caregivers. Understanding these behaviors can help us better communicate and build an even stronger bond with our furry friends. So, While cats may sometimes surprise us with their behaviors, it's worth accepting and enjoying every extraordinary moment spent with them.